Another day of cleanup at the Quincy High School Carpentry program. Off to the woodpile. Students work today to organize and clean up out here after the snowstorm. We're going to be working out here tomorrow for our all-day work event. Looks good. The work table over there ready to go. Lumber came today from Braintree Lumber. Let's get this thing done. Okay, we want to find the center of this hole right here. How do we do that? We take a mark, same size hole with the compass, find the center on the board, slip the board in there, line that up to where it would be on the light fixture, like so. Come on now, get in there. There we go. Right there. Take our square, bring out a line across from that center point on the jig.